Welcome to the Caribbean Vegan Foodie. I am Ken Campbell, and today we're gonna make some porridge. Yes, we're going to make some green banana and almond porridge. Creamy, flavorful, and delicious. But before we get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. Let's go!
Can you feel the vibe?
So our time for the fun part. So we're going to blend all our mixture together. So we're going to blend our almond, banana, and oat with some water to get it nice and creamy so that we can have a nice creamy consistency for our porridge. So we can move on to the next step now. So you want to get some salt and water boiling, and then you're going to add your pureed mixture that we blend earlier to our saucepan with the water, and we're going to get a whisk to just whisk it in to prevent it from lumping. As you continue to whisk, you will notice that your porridge is getting thicker. So at this point, you want to turn down your heat to about a medium-low so that you can simmer your porridge for about 15 minutes. Remember to continuously whisk your porridge as it simmers for the 15 minutes to prevent it from lumping. After the 15 minutes, you want to add your coconut milk. So I'm using canned coconut milk. Remember, canned coconut milk, not that box one that you use for your cereal. And then we're going to also add our spice, our cinnamon, nutmeg, and if you're using vanilla, your vanilla. And you're also going to add your sweetener. I'm using maple syrup. You can use whatever sweetener you like. You could use the vegan condensed milk or sugar. It's up to you, and you're gonna let that simmer for about 10 more minutes until it starts thickening up again. Remember to taste before you add your sweetener, and after you add your sweetener, start a little at a time until you get the right sweetness that is suitable for you. If you don't like a lot of sweet stuff, you can add less. If you want it to be extra sweet, you can add more. It's up to you. Taste, and taste some more. People, I wish you could have smelled this. It smells so good, and it's so creamy and nice. Perfect breakfast. You know what? Actually, I made this for dinner. I had this for dinner because I'm a kind of porridge for dinner person. So tell me what you think about this recipe. Will you be trying it? And tell me how it tastes after you try it. Thank you for watching the Caribbean Vegan Foodie. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell somebody else. Until next time, what good.